Welcome back. If you're new, my name is Lori, and on this channel we cover all things digital planning, art, creativity, and productivity. If that sounds good to you, stick around. Today I'm doing an unboxing of my new iPad Air 5. I chose to upgrade from the mini as I'm doing a lot more digital products and digital planners and things like that, and I just had a problem with how small the screen size was on my mini. I just didn't feel like I had enough room to do all the things that I wanted, but I also didn't feel like I needed to go all the way up to the iPad Pro. So I felt like the iPad Air was a really good compromise, and this new one has the M1 chip. It's supposed to be super fast, and I think it'll be a really good fit for what I need to do. Let's go check out the unboxing of the iPad Air and some accessories. Hey there! It is unboxing time. Somebody else is excited. Do you want a box? Do you want to help with the unboxing? Well, I think Cooper wants to help with the unboxing too, so I should at least get my stuff out of the box and he can do his unboxing first. Let's get to it. We will work on this pile in a minute. But first, let's give Cooper his box. Who's been waiting so patiently? Oh, is it you? You ready for this? This is how Cooper does unboxing. All right, so now that you've seen how excited Cooper was to actually unbox the box, let's take a look at some of the stuff that was actually inside. So the first thing that I got was a case. I didn't want to go ahead at this time and get the whole magic keyboard and all that kind of stuff because I do have a MacBook Pro. I use that a lot, and I don't know at this time that I'm going to be using the iPad Air with like a full keyboard. May get to that at some point, but not right now. So I just wanted to get a fun, pretty case that I thought would work well for me and keep it safe. So this is the one I got, and let's check it out. And it's kind of this really pretty marbly look. It's got a kind of Padfolio strap here to keep it closed. And then it also has a little flap here on the front. So you could put business cards, some little paper, something like that in there as well. It has a cutout for the camera on the back, and then the edges are pretty open for all of the ports. All right, so this is what the inside looks like, and folds back over on itself as well. And this is a pretty hard plastic. You can see it does have a spot here on the right for the Apple Pencil, but yeah, this looks pretty nice and sturdy, and I really like the color and the design on this. So I will have links for all this in the description as well, of course. The next thing that I got was a glass screen protector. So I have a whole nother video that talks about why I'm choosing glass versus like a paper-like or something like that. It's in my Digital Planning 101, which I'll link here as well. And mostly the reason for that is that I use my iPad for more than just digital planning. I use it for watching videos and other things like that. And the matte screen protectors really do change the look of your screen quite a bit. They can also wear down the tip of your pencil depending on which one you get a lot faster. So I use something on my pencils that's just a little silicone pencil tip. And they come in all kinds of colors. They're really cheap on Amazon. And these are great because they give you the feel of writing on paper without actually having to have that matte screen protector. So these are kind of my go-to. And this is my first generation pencil that I use with my iPad mini. I got the second generation pencil for the new one, but I believe that those pen tips still fit as well. This is a 3-pack and it was still really cheap. I don't even remember how much, less than $10 I feel like, for 3 of these. So if I don't get it put on right the first time, I'll still be okay. Alright, oh, this has got a sticker on it, so I'm not gonna be able to get that immediately open. We'll pause the video and come right back. Alright. So let's take a look inside and see the pieces that come with this. So we have a whole kit here that has the wet wipes, the dry wipes, these little dust absorbing stickers. What I really like about this kit was it comes with this plastic guide. And what this does is you can put it directly on the iPad and actually line up the screen protector, hopefully perfectly. And then of course we have 3 separate glass screen protectors in some little sleeves here. The next thing we have is the second generation Apple Pencil. So I'm excited to try this out, as I've only used the first gen pencil. My other iPad mini was a little bit older. There is the pencil. As far as size, looks to be actually a little bit shorter. The top one here is the second gen. So that'll be interesting to see if that makes any difference in my writing style. But a little bit shorter and a little bit thinner than the first gen pencil. And of course, the pièce de résistance, the iPad Air. This is the 2022 version. It's 256 gigs, 5th generation, and Wi-Fi. I didn't figure I needed 5G because I'm pretty much always somewhere that has Wi-Fi. So I did get the blue one, so I'm really excited to see how the color the blue is, how pretty it is, because I'm usually one of those people that only gets, you know, silver or gray or something that goes with everything. And I decided to go ahead and get blue this time. It's coming with this nice little seal right here. So here is the iPad. Underneath we've got all of our instructions and all of that kind of stuff. So time to take off the peelies, as my husband calls them. Oh, it's really pretty. It's really, really pretty. Here is the blue. It's a really nice metallic, it's not as light as I thought and not as dark as I thought. It's just a really gorgeous color. Got the camera up there, your buttons on the side, speakers on the top. I don't know how close I can get with it staying in focus, but yeah, it looks like 4 speakers on this one. I thought I only had 2, but awesome. Super cool. I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions about the iPad or any of the accessories, how they're going for me now, let me know in the comments down below. And of course, everything will be linked in the description. I'll see you in the next video.